Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi and this is the demo hack for ML Hacks. And I'm excited to present SerenadeComposer, an AI powered classical piano composition generator that I have developed as a part of AI plus Art Track. This project leverages deep learning techniques to create original piano melodies inspired by compositions of renowned classical composers. So I have used LSTM model, that's long short term memory, that comes under deep learning, and deep learning is a subset of machine learning. So as a music enthusiast and AI enthusiast, I have been fascinated by the intersection of music and AI. This project is a culmination of my passion for both sides, where I set out to explore capabilities of ML in generating music that resonates with my classical genre. So the objective was to create the LSTM units which can be trained on classical piano. MIDI files are basically the piano composition files to generate new musical compositions in a similar style. So let me walk you through the methodology that I followed. First is the uh, loading and parsing data. So I have uploaded the data on my Google Drive in this folder, in this MIDI part where there are different genres and there are different compositions, there are different MIDI files, and then whatever output I have got, I have uploaded in this. Output is generated here that I have downloaded, and later on these MIDI files I have downloaded here and then I have uploaded there. So first I have imported my data and then parsed it using different libraries. Then I have built a model for pre-processing the MIDI files to extract musical chords and creating corpus of musical elements. And then I have cleaned and simplified the corpus to remove rare and uh, infrequently occurring notes. Then next I have done is the model building, where I have created the model that is trained on MIDI dataset, learning different patterns and structures, and then finally I have generated the music. So this is the generation from the MIDI files, and then I have then those files which then I have given an input data. Then I have explored it, created different models, and finally this is the model created. I have right now just added one epoch, in but while I was training, in actual I added almost 100 epochs. It took a lot of time, and then I have pre-processed everything and then generated this file. It was generated here that I have uploaded and in this part, and then I'm displaying it here. And this is the second one that I have generated. So in conclusion, Serenade Composer demonstrates the potential of AI and ML in the realm of music generation. While the generated melodies may not rival the masterpiece of classical composers, they represent a promising step forward in the field of AI generated art and creativity. So, looking forward, there are several avenues for future exploration of and enhancement of Serenade Composer. These include refining the model architecture, incorporating additional music features, and exploring different genres and styles of music beyond classical piano. Thank you.